Get the Mustang out of the garage. What we are doing today is this. It is a little bit dirty. Don't really look at that. We're looking at a black panel with red inside. It'll match nicely with the red accents we got going on inside. We put the shift knob in. That was pretty simple enough. The interior is pretty much all done. We got a couple things back in there that we need to clean up. Gotta put both door panels on. This bolts right in, I'm pretty sure. I think the only differences are gonna be these, I think, and these back in here. They said you have to do a little bit of modification in order to make it work, but it should bolt and put right on the door, like it should snap in. Alright, we got the door panels on. As you guys can see, it is looking perfect. Everything is coming together quite nicely. We got the red matching the stripe and the shift knob. And we are getting some seats coming in. So we have some panels we might paint black to match this, such as this piece we didn't get from Andrew. So we're just going to go ahead and paint that, which goes in there. We're going to paint this, which goes to the mirrors. And the other one, and we already painted the one over there, right there, and it came out really nice. I do believe we have some carpet or some floor mats coming in to clean that up, make that look nice. And then this interior, pretty much, oh, and we're doing this. We got to take that one off. We got to paint that one. That one we have to paint no matter what, because they don't even sell this type of pillar anymore. It's called Speed something, but I got the last one. It was the last one in this color and last one in general. As far as I know, they don't make these anymore. So we're gonna paint this, make it black, like we painted this one, which is the other pillar for the passenger side. We painted this black. We have these, but they're very scratched up, unfortunately, as you guys can see, and it doesn't clip in all the way. So I want this interior to be absolute mint and looking right. I also got some small goodies for the Mustang, such as we got an OBD2 reader for the tuner. Mine, I think I lost it. I have no idea where it's at, and I haven't had one of these in probably years. So we got one of these for my X4 tuner, which is somewhere in here. So now we can actually read the X4 tuner and plug it in, have everything work. I got one of these to extend the USB cable from the radio. And I'm going to wire this all the way through out of the glove or the center console right there. So it's going to come out right in there with the Apple CarPlay. So it should be pretty cool. And then that, last but not least, I got one of these, a cigarette lighter. And there's a cigarette lighter in the center console as well that I'm going to plug this into, so, you know, she can use her Android and charge. So I got a USB-C and a USB. And we got a couple of the pieces painted. Got all those four painted. It is looking really good. I'm going to show you guys a little sneak peek of what I got for this thing. As you guys may know, this engine is not working, and cylinder 7 compression is low. With a little sneak peek we got, that's all I'm showing you guys. Kind of working our way from the inside out. Got the whole interior almost done. We got a couple more things. Oh, we still have to do the e-brake. I forgot about that, but we'll probably do that another day since we're running out of daylight here. I do need to get a plug for the new switches, so I can go ahead and put the piece right here on top. For right now, that's how we have it. Same with this right here. I need to find, or I need to get the plug for this, and then just rewire all those wires onto this one. And as far as wiring and what else we have to do, we are good to go. We are going to go ahead and get straight into it. To give you guys a recap of what we have already done, we have done the door panels, we've done the speedometer with the 1314 overlay, we got the whole dash swapped out, we got a new shift knob, got the steering wheel in. We still got to do the e-brake, which is actually laying right there. That'll probably be the last thing we do. We're actually almost done. We got the seats in, windshield visors. We still got to work on this pillar right here, make that work. That one's in. And I need to get one of these for a 14 because the 3-valve one does not fit with these door panels. Those are about the only things that I have left to do in this interior. However, we are going to spice it up with some custom interior seats. We got these from Andrew, as you guys saw. These are the GTCS seats. And the reason why I wanted to get these is because you guys look right here, it's kind of worn just a little bit, you know. It's just a little wear and tear of the seats being used. And I want to go ahead and protect this as much as I can. Like, for example, here's a perfect example. These are cat skin leather seats. Every time that I installed these, I've installed 2 of these cat skin seats. And my leg just, you know, obviously it rubs right there. And it always rips right in there. I want to get these and put them there, and it looks really, really nice. I actually haven't seen it yet. Basically, it's black here and red in the middle. And I think it'll be a nice touch with the red being everywhere. Let's go ahead and open the box, see what's inside, and get started. We're running out of daylight, so let's go. Go ahead and open her up. So they have a lot of options. They have a bunch of seats available for a lot of cars. So if you guys are interested in some custom car seat covers, link will be in the description. You can get yourself a set of these. They also make the back seats as well, so if you want to do the front seats match the back seats, they can do that. So this is what we got. Ooh, this is nice. Alright, so we are working on putting the top on just like that. We got the bottom one already on. She's killing it. So it's pretty simple for the most part. You got 3 little tabs. You have 3 tabs right there. You just push them through the seat and turn them so they hold them in place. And then you grab the buckles and just buckle it in. These 2 hooks are actually going to connect to these 2 hooks right here underneath the seat. And that way it's nice and secure. Basically, this just slides literally on top of this. And it's even got red stitching on it as well. So for the rear seat, we found it easier to just take the bottom seats off. This will make the installation a lot easier. Got one already buckled in. This is how easy it is to install these things. It takes like 20 minutes complete total time. We're already done with the front seats. Working on the back seats. So we found that easily, that they go against right here. Well, as you can see, it is the next day. We ran out of daylight. We didn't get to finish. We still got to tuck this in right along the edge right there. We still got to tuck this in as well. We still got to finish up with the back, but this is kind of what it's going to look like when it's done. Actually, this is exactly what it's going to look like when it's done. So what do you guys think? It is very bright. It matches this stripe very well. Let me show you what the other side looks like. The exposure is really high. Looking good, and you can kind of see what the back seats are going to look like when they're done too. Side, we got this tucked in nicely, headrests on. See what that looks like, and see if we want to do either red or leave it black like this. She's in the trunk. You good? Alright, so we finished up with the passenger seat, and the rear seats are all done. As you can see, it is looking really, really good. The red is looking really good. It's popping like crazy. I'm going to go ahead and install this piece right here, and what this goes to is it's the center emblem for the steering wheel. It'll match the steering wheel if I go up, because if you look right here, the carbon fiber goes up. Put it like that. And this is from Simply Built. I would take the emblem off, but unfortunately when you take this off, there are like ridges behind this, and it won't be a good mating surface for this, so this will be the best bet. Let's take this off, and voila. there we have it. We got the seats tucked in. Got a little, tuck them in a little bit right there. Got them hooked from underneath. We got the whole seat on there, so we are looking really, really good. Everything is in. We are completely done. Last thing we got to do is throw the headrest on and see which color combo that we like the most. Either the way it sits right now with the black headrests all the way around, or with them all red. Put the headrest on with the all red, and then that one's the one with the black headrest. So which one looks better in your guys' opinion? Leave a comment down below. Which way should I set it up? Black or the red? We got black, and then we got the red. Which one? I'm gonna go ahead and finish up with these seats, and this is all red. Let me go ahead and throw this down so you guys can see what all red looks like. All right, leave a comment down below. Red or black? I honestly have no idea. That they both look good. I don't know. I really don't. Well, that's a wrap for today. Put her back in the garage. We got the seat covers and everything in. I went ahead and threw that gauge pillar in with the gauges inside. So it is looking good. That is gonna wrap it up for today. We do have some more stuff coming for this thing. Stay tuned. We are not done with the interior, even though we've done so much already. And then as far as the engine goes, we are still waiting for some parts to go ahead and swap this. I think we're gonna have to actually rebuild this as well. This is gonna be a complete makeover, basically rebuilding this entire car all over again, which I'm excited about, and everything's gonna be fresh when I'm done with it and upgraded. Hit that subscribe button if you guys aren't already subscribed. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash the like button, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.